When you search for cordless orbital sanders, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Skill 5-inch Random Orbital Sander. The SKIL 5-inch Random Orbital Sander caught my attention right away. With its powerful 2.8 amp motor and a price that sits comfortably for budget-conscious buyers, it promises a smooth sanding experience. If you want reliable performance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this sander solves your problem. The 13,000 orbits per minute means you can sand down surfaces quickly and effectively, whether it's wood or drywall. The variable speed control allows you to adjust the power depending on the material, so you won't risk damaging your workpiece. Plus, the cyclonic dust collector keeps your workspace cleaner, which is something many users appreciate. And with over 9,000 units sold in the past month, it shows that people are trusting this tool. Now, some people complained about the dust collection being less effective than expected. Here's the thing though, while it might not capture every single particle, it still reduces mess significantly compared to traditional sanders. For most users, this isn't a deal breaker, especially given the price. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid entry-level sander that performs well in various applications. Skip this one if you need top-of-the-line dust collection or if you're working on finer finish projects. Now, if the dust collection issue bothered you, the next one on my list might take a completely different approach. Product number 2, DeWalt 20V Max Orbital Sander. With a powerful brushless motor and a price tag around $92.99, it's geared for serious DIYers and professionals alike. If you want a reliable cordless option that combines power and convenience, this is definitely worth considering. What makes this sander stand out is its variable speed control from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, allowing you to tailor the speed depending on your task. The low-profile design lets you get really close to the work surface, which is crucial for precision sanding. A one-handed locking dust bag and a dust-sealed switch enhance its usability, ensuring you can focus on your project without worrying about dust getting into the internals. With over 5,000 units sold recently, it's clearly a favorite. However, some users mention that it lacks a battery and charger, which can be an inconvenience if you don't already own DeWalt tools. But if you're already in the DeWalt ecosystem, this isn't a huge issue. Just grab the tool and get to work. This is perfect for you if you value portable power and efficiency for your sanding jobs. Skip this one if you're not ready to invest in more batteries or if you prefer a tool that comes fully equipped. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize corded power.
Product number 3, DeWalt Orbital Sander Kit. Let's talk about the DeWalt Orbital Sander Kit, which is a corded model priced around $79.08. It's an excellent choice if you want consistent power without the worry of battery life. If you want a dependable tool for heavy-duty sanding tasks, this is worth a look. This sander features a 3.8 amp motor that spins at a consistent 12,000 OPM, providing smooth performance on a variety of surfaces. The shorter height allows you to get really close to your work, which is a game changer for intricate projects. Plus, the rubber overmolded grip ensures comfort, reducing hand fatigue during long sessions. It also boasts a dust port designed to fit most vacuum systems, which can be a lifesaver when it comes to cleanup. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clear people appreciate its solid build and effectiveness. However, some users noted that it can get a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though. A little noise is often the price you pay for powerful performance, and for most users, that's a fair trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're tackling larger projects and need consistent power. Skip this one if you're looking for a quieter operation, or if you prefer the flexibility of a cordless model. Now, if you want something that's a bit more compact and portable, the next product might be just what you need.
Product number 4, Bosch ROS 202 VSC Palm Sander. We have the Bosch ROS 202 VSC Palm Sander, which comes in at about $69. This sander impressed me with its combination of power and thoughtful design. If you want a lightweight, easy-to-handle option, this is definitely worth checking out. The variable speed dial is a standout feature here, allowing you to adjust the speed from 7,500 to 12,000 OPM, which is perfect for various sanding tasks. The unique dust collection system captures fine particles as small as half a micron, keeping your workspace cleaner.
The hook and loop disc attachment makes changing sanding pads a breeze, which is something you'll appreciate if you're switching between tasks frequently. Given that over 1,000 have been sold recently, it's clear that users are satisfied with its performance. Some users have mentioned that the vacuum dust collector can fill up quickly. Here's the thing though, it's still much better than traditional dust collection methods, and for most home projects, it's manageable. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight, user-friendly sander for home projects. Skip this one if you prefer a more robust dust collection system for larger jobs. Now, if you're searching for a cordless option without compromising on performance, the final product might be exactly what you're looking for.
Product number 5, Ryobi 118V Cordless Sander. We have the Ryobi 118V Cordless Random Orbit Sander, priced around $59.42. This tool is a great fit for those who want the freedom of cordless sanding. If you want something portable for job sites or tight spaces, this is a solid choice. Powered by Ryobi's 18V lithium-ion battery, it delivers smooth and efficient sanding performance. The 5-inch orbital pad ensures you get a nice finish on various surfaces like wood and drywall. With its lightweight design, you can easily maneuver it around without feeling fatigued. This is especially beneficial for those who need to work in various locations and don't want to deal with cords. With over 600 sold in the last month, it's gaining traction. However, some users pointed out that the battery and charger are sold separately, which can be a drawback if you're not already invested in the Ryobi ecosystem. But if you are, then this sander is an easy addition and well worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you need a portable sander for quick jobs without the hustle of cords. Skip this one if you're looking for a complete kit with everything included upfront. That wraps up our reviews of the top cordless orbital sanders. Each option has its strengths, whether you need power, portability, or budget friendliness.
So there you have it. The Skill 5-inch for budget-friendly performance, the DeWalt 20V Max for cordless power, the DeWalt corded model for consistent performance, the Bosch ROS 20V SC for lightweight design, and finally, the Ryobi 1 and for portability. No matter your needs, one of these sanders should fit the bill.